For the print quality, reliability of the equipment, without a doubt, we would recommend the new Domino AX.
My name is Rui Ramos, and I'm the director of the industrial unit of Barreiro. Sovena is a 100% Portuguese company belonging to the Melo family, and we specialize in oil seed crops associated with the food industry. We produce refined vegetable and olive oils. We have 8 manufacturing plants, we have 4 mills, and facilities in 8 countries covering 4 continents. We have about 80% of our business in exports, and since 2015, approximately $1.4 billion in earnings. Another characteristic that sets us apart, we seek partnership relationships and not simple supplier-customer relations. Domino is our partner in the field of coding and marking, which is a key area in the food industry. For this reason, we decided to install this technology from Domino, which brings us robustness and reliability so that our customers know exactly what they can find within our bottles.
My name is Luisa Dordillo, and I'm responsible for the packaging of oils and olive oils. With this equipment, we are able to improve the quality of marking on our boxed products. In this case, since we work with PET packaging, we have marking with the best definition. This ink, without a doubt, presents better definition. And with this ink, we managed to hit our goal, which for us is fundamental.
One of the biggest challenges for a company like ours is to ensure the quality of the product that we offer to our end customer with maximum productivity. Something so basic and so vital as the coding in the food industry has to be guaranteed. It is exactly for this reason that we trust the AX series to perform the job perfectly.